Constitution of India Part 4A Article 51A Fundamental Duties. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, b. to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, c. to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, d. to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, e. to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, f. to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, g. to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife and to have compassion for living creatures, h. to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform, I. to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, j. to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement, k. who is a parent or guardian, to provide opportunities for education to his child or, as the case may be, ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. Note: the Article 51A containing fundamental duties was inserted by the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act, 1976 with effect from the 3rd of January 1977. Asterisk K was inserted by the Constitution 86th Amendment Act, 2002 with effect from the 1st of April 2010. The fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were adopted from Russian Constitution.